Once upon a time in the magical kingdom of Arendelle, Elsa, the Snow Queen, and Ariel, the Little Mermaid, were the best of friends. They loved to have fun and celebrate special occasions together. Halloween was just around the corner, and they decided to throw a magical surprise party for all their friends. But this wouldn't be an ordinary party. It would be a Halloween magical doors surprise party. Elsa and Ariel had a plan. They both had magical powers, and they knew just how to make their party extraordinary. They found enchanted doors that could transport their guests to different worlds and bring the magic of Halloween to life. First, they set up the doors in Elsa's ice palace. Elsa's door led to a spooky, pumpkin-filled world, while Ariel's door led to a mysterious underwater grotto filled with glowing sea creatures. They sent out special invitations to all their friends, including Anna, Olaf, Sebastian, Flounder, and many more. Each invitation had a tiny key attached to it, which would unlock the magical doors. On Halloween night, their friends arrived, wearing their costumes and holding their special keys. The excitement in the air was electric. Elsa and Ariel greeted everyone and explained the magic behind the doors. Elsa's door opened first, revealing a world of jack-o'-lanterns, friendly ghosts, and candy galore. The friends wandered through the pumpkin patch, carving their own pumpkins and collecting sweet treats. Olaf, the snowman, tried to put a costume on, but his carrot nose kept falling off, making everyone laugh. Next, it was time to explore Ariel's door. As the friends entered the underwater grotto, they marveled at the mesmerizing underwater world. They saw colorful fish, graceful seahorses, and even a friendly sea witch named Ursula. She surprised everyone by giving out shiny trinkets and telling enchanting sea stories. Back in Arendelle, Elsa and Ariel opened a third door, which led to a grand ballroom filled with Halloween decorations and a dance floor. The friends danced, twirled, and laughed the night away. As the clock struck midnight, Elsa and Ariel thanked everyone for coming to their Halloween Magical Doors surprise party. It had been a night filled with laughter, fun, and enchantment. Their friends left with happy memories and a little bit of Halloween magic in their hearts. The magical doors disappeared, but the friendship and the memories they had created would last forever. Elsa and Ariel knew that they would have many more exciting adventures together, and their Halloween party had been just the beginning of their fantastic journeys. And so, they all lived happily ever after in the kingdom of Arendelle, with their hearts full of joy and friendship.